Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we can learn about drugs used for cough. First is pharyngeal demulcent, example syrups, lozenges, glycerin, licorice. Next is expectorant and mucokinetics, secretion enhancers like potassium citrate, potassium iodide, guaifenesin, tolubalsam, Vasaka, ammonium chloride. Mucolytics examples are ambroxol, bromhexin, acetylcysteine, carbocysteine. Next classification is antitussive or cough center suppressants. It's divided into four: opioid, non-opioid, antihistamine, and pulmonary receptor desensitizers. Opioids examples are codeine, folcodeine, ethyl morphine. Non-opioids examples are nescafen, dextromethorphan, chlorpheniramine. Antihistamines like chlorpheniramine, diphenhydramine, and promethazine. Pulmonary receptor desensitizer is prinoxidazine. Next classification is adjuvant antitussive. Usually bronchodilators are using. Examples are salbutamol, terbutaline, etc. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.